Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm in slow motion around here, but I still got some things done. I've been waiting for Courtney to show up, a doll I bought on eBay in a pre-loved condition, and I made her these outfits based on the outfits that were made for Courtney. I made the little dress. I'll take that jacket off in a minute and show you. I made the top and the bottom. I bought these on the AG site. They were on clearance. I wish I would have bought the Walkman set, but I didn't, and I forgot they had it, and I bought one on eBay. It'll be showing up soon, and she has a lunchbox coming, but they're not here yet, but she is. So let's take a look. Oh, I hope her hair's nice. Darren, show the pictures here of the doll that I'm opening, or I think I'm opening, and the girl on the AG site. I, as I said, have been working in slow motion. I've got something that won't let me go, and I'm starting to think I'm allergic to something. All right, that's not her. Okay, she's here. I bought this particular Courtney and paid more because of the hair. And her hair, Darren, insert those photos here of the American Girl Courtney and the one on eBay. And then look at this, how they've got this. Oh God, please have her hair in a net and wrapped. This poor doll has been traveling for over a week. I'm so worried about her hair because we live mid-Missouri. It's what, 250 miles to St. Louis?
Not that far, it's like 180 miles.
Okay. And in the winter, we can hear Highway 70. It's not that far from us as a crow flies.
And Highway 70 is the highway between Kansas City and St. Louis,
Yep.
The opposite sides of the state.
This doll went from, I think it was Ohio, to St. Louis, past us on 70, to Kansas City, which is another 200 miles, right?
Kansas City's a little over 90 miles from
Okay,
here.
well, it's far. Went back, passing our house, to Columbia. Then it went, we don't even know where, because the tracking was that, it went here, it's on its way, Then it finally got to Boonville. I'm just going to toss it. And here she is. Anyway, let's see how she does look. She's got a box. Please let her hair. Oh, it's not wrapped. Oh my goodness. Look. It's a little messed up. Not awful. Wish they would have put it in a net, but look at my Courtney. Look at her face. I'm putting her up in the sunlight better. This is a nice doll, and she is, my doll from AG is like this. She is nice. I'm betting she was a display doll and they stole her clothes to sell them separately. All right, well, let me show you the clothes that I made her. Let me set this aside. I just love this little doll. Like I said, it was Dory and her little Courtney in the AG store that got me started on this doll. She is a historical doll from the 1980s. She has some more things coming. She has a headphone coming, Walkman, and that little lunch box, the little Pac-Man lunchbox. Oh, I'm pleased with her hair. Yeah, not as nice as it was, but you can imagine. Riding in that box and all the shifting. Darren made her this stand. I think I showed it. What was it? A week ago we thought she was here and we started filming? Seriously.
I don't know. See, time is distorted.
Yeah,
Here.
no kidding. But anyway, there's her stand. Oh, I didn't bring any shoes down. My models don't wear shoes. What are we going to put her in? That is my favorite. I made her, this is 2 pieces so that it can be worn, you know, mix match. I wish this was the black polka dots, but it's not. Let's show this a little bit. I'm kind of proud of it. I took a pattern online, made her this. I'm not putting that in her hair. Found a pattern online for a sweetheart halter dress. So I took that sweetheart halter dress and made it shorter because it was quite long. And thank you for your service. Added straps. I lined the inside of the top, and of course I used that pink. Finished all the edges and everything. And then I took a jacket pattern. Well, I made the scrunchie. I took a jacket pattern. I cut the sleeves shorter. I cut the bottom off, oh, do I have a string? Oh, that's in here. Uh-oh. Nope, you don't see that. Watch me cut the whole thing. Well, that's not a very sharp knife. Okay. Cut the pattern, tweaked the pattern a little bit, and lined it. So that's how I made that. Let's put this on her and see. I don't know, I'm hesitating because I don't know that I want her to stand in black and hot pink. This is such a nice doll. I don't know, I might go with the houndtooth, but let's try this on her. Oh, sweetheart, I don't want anything to touch your hair, and I did use Velcro. Careful, 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 careful. Here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, how cute does she look? I matched the fabric as well as I could. And I matched the pinks as well as I could. Oh, I love this. Love, 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 love. I'm holding her funny because of her hair. I don't want those curls crushed. I won't be changing this doll a lot, I don't think. You know, you think one thing when you get a doll and then other things happen. Okay, so here is my little Courtney. I'm not going to do a fashion show with her because, again, her hair. But there she is. And as so often we do, or did, and I still do, with hair ties, we put those on our wrist. Now I'll have to go up and get her some shoes of some sort or another. But there is my darling little Courtney. I say again, thank you, Dory, because I wouldn't have this doll had we not gone to the AG store. Oh my God, she's so cute. Let's look at his hair again. Oh, oh, oh. She's so pretty. So pretty. Love her. Thank you for watching. I'm glad, glad, glad she is finally here. Okay, I'm showing these so I can show you what I made. I just looked at the pictures on eBay for how to make these outfits. And I tried to match the fabrics as best that I could. This, I really like this fabric a lot. I have a couple more items that I believe are in these packages for Courtney that I wanted to open and show you while Courtney was still down. So I held this video. Yep, this is hers. I didn't pay attention on the American Girl sale, and I should have bought this there, but I didn't, but that's okay. I bought this, I got a really good deal on eBay. Look how cute that is. I don't want to crush her hair. I'm going to be really honest. I don't want to crush her hair. That's something she'll hold. Look at this. If you haven't seen these little cassette holders, oh my, 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 my. How would this open? Let's see. This opens, and I don't want to yank it. I'm a yanker. Okay. What do you think, Darren?
That part doesn't open because it's got to be just stick your
This.
thumb in the.
In here,
Yeah.
yeah, there you go. Look how cute that is. Oh, gosh. I'm old enough to remember when cassette tapes came out and took over. See, she can hold that in her hand. Oh, so cute. When cassette tapes came out, I remember when 8-tracks came out, and then cassettes took over. All right, and then there's something. I'm going to set this aside. And then I bought her something else. Got a really good deal on this on eBay also. I think it was eBay. I think it was one of the sellers. I went to their, I think this came up in the feed, and then I went to the website and got a better deal. Not website, their selling page. Oh, look, there's your sandwich. Oh. And I save all bubble wrap because I mail back out. Yep, this is it. Oh gosh, how cute. How cute is this? This is brand new, never used, not in AG packaging because it came from China, where they make the original. Oh god, that's so cute. What is that supposed to be?
Good question.
I don't know. Apple slices and a sandwich. Hers, however, does not have the little thermos in it. What the heck is that? Cheese?
I do not know.
I don't know what else it could be. Cheese for apple? How cute is their little sandwich? What do you think that is? Peanut butter and jelly? Looks like meat with mustard.
Yeah, it's like bologna and cheese.
Yeah, oh, bologna and cheese. Yeah, that makes sense. So this is my Courtney, who I'm so proud of. I'm really proud of the little clothes I made for her. And here are her little accessories. I'll open these in different videos. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please come back and see more of the outfits that I recreate for the historical American Girl dolls. Finding the fabric that I can, close as I can, and making the little outfits as close as I can. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and join us on Thursday nights when we are live at 6 o'clock p.m.